Yes, you have understood that what is partnership and deed, and we saw two examples. Okay, sir. Okay. If your friends invested in your business as a partner, they will ask interest. Why they will ask? Why they will ask? I am giving profit. Why they will ask interest? Why? You are paying profit for your whatever they have invested. For that you are paying profit. Okay, sir. Still your friend asks for the interest. Why? Because if your friend invested that amount in a FD, or if he deposited in a bank, he might have received some interest for that amount. Is that correct? Okay. It is risk free also. Yes, obviously it is risk free. Fine, sir. But he is taking the risk and investing your business. It may be the whatever he invested may go to the Tirupti Undi, means get losses in the business. We can't say that we won't get losses in the business. Obviously there is high risk in the business. Obviously yes. Then the profit whatever you are paying, it will be premium for risk taking. The profits you are paying will be premium for risk taking, and whatever interest he asked for, that will be his opportunity cost. If he invested somewhere, he might have earned the interest. That interest also you are giving, so that's why he will invest in the business. Interest is opportunity cost. Fine, sir. Fine. Interest on capital, you understood, right? Okay. On what capital we will provide interest? On opening capital also we provide interest, and on additional capital also will provide the interest. Fine. Let us understand by an example. Okay. Mr. X, that is you, has a capital of 10 lakh rupees. Okay, fine. On 1/4/2020, in the beginning of the year, and you have invested more capital of 5 lakh on 30th September as additional capital to the business. Then what will be the interest amount? That's very easy. 10 lakh rupees you have invested in the beginning. It means you should receive interest for entire year, that is 12 months. How much is the interest on capital? Right. Okay, interest on capital, 10%. Let's take. Okay, 10% means how much it comes out? 1 lakh rupees for the whole year. Then you have invested some 5 lakh again. 5 lakh again. For that we should receive 10%. But you have invested that amount in the middle of the year, on September 30th. Means next October, November, December, January, February, March. For 6 months you should receive interest, right? For the 6 months you should receive interest. 6 divided by 12, how much it comes out? 50,000 divided by 2, 25,000. You will receive the interest for 5 lakh and 1 lakh for 10 lakh. Total 1 lakh 25,000 you will receive as interest on capital. Interest on capital. Did you understand what it is? Right? Okay, fine. Let's take some cases related to interest on capital. It will be very interesting, right? Take down whatever in the board. The case 1 is on the board. You can take down and let us read the question. Okay, capital on 31st 3 21 2021, Ram 10 lakh, Sham 6 lakhs. Profits during the year, it is 2 lakh rupees profit they have earned, and additional capital they are investing of rupees. Ram 3 lakh, Sham 2 lakh. Okay, drawings, withdrawing some amount. Drawings means from business whatever capital they have invested, from that they are withdrawing some amount for their personal use. Okay, Ram withdrawing a amount of 1 lakh and Sham 80,000. Find interest on capital at 10% per annum. Okay, sir. Okay, okay. If you read carefully, they have given closing capital. They have given closing capital, not the opening capital. Means let us understand by this line. Okay, this is 1st April 2020 and 31st 3 2021. This is your year, financial year, and they have given capital 10 lakh and 6 lakh. Fine. Okay, okay. And you have invested some amount. Did I write? No, I didn't write the date. Let me write. On 31st 12 2020. On 31st 12 2020 means here somewhere you have invested some 3 lakh and 2 lakh as additional capital. Some additional capital you have invested. Okay, sir. Fine, fine. They have given closing capital and additional capital. On what amount? On what capital we will calculate the interest on capital? On opening capital. Obviously, yes, we will calculate the interest on opening capital. Sir, they didn't give any opening capital. Yes, we should calculate that. We have a formula for that. Okay, fine. Closing capital, okay, is equals, closing capital is equals opening capital plus additional capital plus some profits minus drawings. What the formula? In the end of this current year, you have capital of 10 lakh and 6 lakhs. Okay, sir. Okay. The in the end means it includes additional capital, drawings, and profit also. Right? Is that correct? Yes. Everything includes the closing capital. That is the meaning. Closing capital is equals opening plus additional plus profit minus drawings. Fine. Okay. They didn't give any opening capital. Right. They didn't give any opening capital, but they have given some additional capital, 3 lakh. Let's calculate for Ram first. Then we will calculate for the Sham. Or you can calculate for the Sham. Let's see. 3 lakh rupees for Ram they have given for additional capital. Okay. Profit. 2 lakh rupees the business earned the profit. 2 lakh rupees the business earned profit. Is this 2 lakh entirely goes for Ram? No way, because Sham is also investing. He should also get some profit. Okay, sir. Okay. So out of profit, out of profit of rupees 2 lakh, if if there is no deed or deed partnership deed, we should share the profits equally. We should share the profits equally. Means for Ram it is 1 lakh. Okay, what is the drawings? How much Ram withdrawed? 1 lakh rupees. He withdrawed 1 lakh rupees. Okay. What is the closing capital they have given for Ram? It is 10 lakh. Okay. Shall we calculate? 10 lakh is equals 3 lakh plus 1 lakh minus 1 lakh. How much it becomes? Again 3 lakh. Okay. Okay. Just a second. Opening capital plus 3 lakh. Is that correct? Is that correct? If we need opening capital, little mathematics, opening capital comes this side is equals 10 lakh. If this 3 lakh goes transferred to this side, what it becomes? If it is in plus, it will become negative. If it is in the negative, it will become plus, right? Here now it is in the plus balance and it will become negative. Is that correct? 7 lakh rupees is the opening capital. If you can do this, that's well. If you can't, simply the closing capital is rupees 10 lakh. Is that correct? For that, they added a additional capital of 3 lakh. Fine, sir, fine. They withdrawed some amount 50,000, or sorry 1 lakh. They have withdrawn some amount 1 lakh rupees. Then what will be the opening balance? 10 lakh rupees closing, which means if we add this 3 lakh additional capital, it becomes 10 lakh. Is that correct? So okay, fine. And they have drawings 1 lakh. If they didn't withdraw that amount, it might have been in the capital, right? They have withdrawn, capital went down, capital decreased. Is that right? 10 lakh rupees minus 3 lakh, whatever the additional capital is there, we are taking out, it becomes 7 lakh. And whatever 7 lakh is there is after withdrawing the amount. Whatever the Ram withdrawed of rupees 1 lakh, after this withdrawal the capital is 7 lakh. So if we add, it becomes again 8 lakh, right? Okay, fine, sir, it becomes 8 lakh. Now we have profit, right? We have profit, that also we should minus it, because it gets added in the capital, right? It gets added in the capital. Again it becomes 7 lakh. It's like cash flow starting from the profit, right? You will start from the closing capital, that's it. Add minus, you will arrive at opening capital. Fine, sir. If you understand this, you can do that. If you don't, you can do this. Whatever, you can do something, right? We have opening capital. Let's calculate interest on capital. We have 7 lakh rupees of opening capital. Fine, right? Interest on capital. How much they have given? 10% per annum. For this opening capital 7 lakh, we should pay the entire year's interest, that is 10% is equal 70,000. We should pay the interest for the partners. Okay, in the mid of the year they have invested 3 lakh. On 31st 31st 12 2020. From 31st, where it went, okay, let me write 31st 12 2020. From this date to year end 31st 3/21, how much months are there? How much months are there? 3 months. For 3 months we should pay the interest 10% into 3 divided by 12. Is that correct? How much it comes out? Let me take my calci and calculate that. 3 lakh into 10%, 30,000 into 3 divided by 12. 7,500 will be the interest on capital for additional capital. It becomes 77,500 total interest on capital. Interest on capital 77,500. And the question is done. You can take down the solution. Let's go for the case number 2. Case number